Hello everyone, I am L. Jaypriya of Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering for Women at Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to design a circuit using Tinkercad tool. This is the Tinkercad software tool. I am going to design a circuit using Arduino Uno board which blinks an LED when it was in a dark room and doesn't blink when it was in a light condition. So let's have a look on the circuit first. So this is the circuit. LED cathode should be connected to the ground of the Uno board. LED anode should be connected to the resistance, and the other resistance value should be connected to digital input number 9. The photoresistor, one of the terminals should be connected to the resistance value. The other end of the resistor should be connected to the power supply of Arduino Uno board, and the other terminal of the photoresistor should be connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno board. And the terminal of the resistance should be connected to analog input A0. So this is the circuit to design. We'll design the circuit in Tinkercad. So we have to take first Arduino Uno board. And next an LED. Resistor. Of 300 ohms. Another resistor of 300 ohms. And photoresistor should be taken. Then photoresistor. So we have to connect the circuit. Cathode of LED should be connected to ground of Uno board, and anode should be connected to resistor value, and the other terminal of the resistance should be connected to digital input pin number 9. And this resistor terminal should be connected to power supply of Arduino Uno board, and the other terminal of the resistor should be connected to the terminal of the photoresistor, and the other terminal should be connected to ground of the Arduino Uno board, and this resistor terminal also should be connected to analog input pin number 0. It's A0. So this is the circuit. We should write a code for this. So I'm going to write code only in text, not in blocks. So this is the code. I'm initializing digital input pin number 9 to the LED, and the output should be showed on LED. So the pin mode should be, output should be on the pin mode LED. And if the resistance value was greater than 732, then the LED should be blinked. That is, it represents that the LED is in a dark room. Else, it should be low on condition. So we should simulate it. The circuit after initializing the blinking of LED. We can parallelly see the serial monitor. It shows here the photoresistance value. So the photoresistance was in dark condition. The value was 1021. So the LED was blinking when it was in 1021 dark condition, and when it was in light condition the value was decreased to 642. So LED doesn't blink. So this is the condition we can see here. When it was in light condition the LED doesn't glow, and when it was in light the LED blink. We can see the variation here. The variation of the LEDs changes very slowly. So the LED turned off slowly when it was in light condition, and slowly it becomes turned on when it was in dark condition. So finally this is the circuit, and this is the code for the